FiberChek Sidewinder also gives users the ability to adjust the orientation of the screen depending on how it operates. Most users prefer to have the screen oriented in a way that is upright when you're handling it, as I'm doing right now. But other users prefer to flip that completely around so that they can better see the screen when it's actually operating. To do that, enter into the navigation menu and go into System Settings. Navigate all the way to the bottom until you get to Screen Orientation. Select Rotated, press the Action button, and that'll turn everything upside down. Now, when I'm actually plugging the FiberChek Sidewinder into a port, I can actually view the FiberChek Sidewinder screen in the same orientation as it's being used when it's plugged in.